some brave soul decided to test the bulletproof Cybertruck against a house wall. A 23-year-old driver of Cybertruck lost control of the truck and crashed into a gate in Mexico. No injuries were reported, but the vehicle looks like a total loss on top of the damage on the house's gate. The accident occurred in the middle of the night. As per reports, looks like the crash happened due to failure of FSD. The front bumper and headlights were shattered, the windshield was cracked, and the airbags fully deployed. Local authorities said the driver had initially struck a parked truck before the impact with the gate. Both front wheels were ripped off, due to the impact with the truck in the gate. As far as the younger person striking a gate, no details, but many people do poorly when driving high-performance vehicles for the first time.